Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are today at Supercars of Scarisbrick, which is a car meets the first Wednesday of every month at the new Scarisbrick Inn, Black-A-Moor Lane, Scarisbrick L39 7HX. They've got a Facebook page if you want to search them out. And let's just see what's there today. So a quick scan around the car park. An Audi, a BMW and an Aprilia bike. There's my little MGTF. Wandering over and look at Porsches, a couple of VW and nondescript BMW. An old Civic and a Civic Type R over there. As you can see, it's quite a small car park. Pub. The restaurant is great and it's in the lovely countryside. 200 SX there. And over to a twin turbocharged Supra. Just looks like it's had all the engine detailed. Rather nice. Big 3 litre straight 6 there. Some great windy roads to get to this as well. Another one. Porsche Boxster, Focus, another BMW, and an old 3 Fiesta, 2002. Golf over there and funky little K-van. Just do a quick spin round the car park. Don't know why that's there at Supercar Meet. MX-5s, a Lotus over there, another nondescript BMW, GT86. As you can see, really small car park. This is the little van, K-van from Japan. K-vans are small to meet the Japanese strict restrictions. The smallest highway legal cars and vans in Japan, no longer than 3.4 meters long and no wider than 1.48. This is a Suzuki Every, little Sparco type alloys there. They look great. The engine in these little Suzuki Everys is a 658cc turbocharged, again to meet their strict restrictions in Japan. This has about 64 horsepower and it's 4-wheel drive. Just a few pictures of the Every van. Great funky little van. You don't see many of them around. And this is in really good condition as well. Something different. Back over to the car park again. There's actually a guy in the corner selling Hot Wheels. Looks like we have a Porsche, I think it's an RS. Didn't really see what it said down the side. And then there is a lovely supercharged XF, something I would quite like to have in a great condition as well. Lotus in the corner. This is a Lotus Exige 380 Sport. Supercharged 3.5 litre V6 engine, chucking out about 375 brake horsepower. Top speed of 178 miles an hour, 0 to 60 of 3.5 seconds. Probably the only real supercar in the car park. Lots of carbon and lightness built in, and they cost about 68k when they were new. So not a cheap car, but a very, very fast car. Probably the highlight of the meet as well. So there we have it. Quick roundup of the Scarisbrick Supercar Meet.